In the United Kingdom, the Office for National Statistics maintains a series of codes to represent a wide range of geographical areas of the UK, for use in tabulating census and other statistical data. These codes are referred to as ONS codes or GSS codes, referring to the Government Statistical Service of which ONS is part. The previous hierarchical system of codes has been replaced as from January 2011 by a 9-character code for all types of geography, in which there is no relation between the code for a lower-tier area and the corresponding parent area. The ONS intends to maintain the older coding system in parallel with the new one until the end of 2013. Geography of the UK Census. Information from the 2001 census is published for a wide variety of geographical units, and a similar approach will be taken for the 2011 census. These areas include counties in England, districts within English counties, and unitary authority areas served by one council providing district and county functions, unitary council areas in Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland, civil parishes, electoral wards. These are the areas defined for the election of local councillors, but are also widely used for presenting statistics at a smaller scale than the whole district. Census output areas. These are the smallest unit for which census data are published. They were initially generated to support publication of Census 2001 outputs and contain at least 40 households and 100 persons, the target size being 125 households. They were built up from postcode blocks after the census data were available, with the intention of standardizing population sizes, geographical shape and social homogeneity. The output areas generated in 2001 were retained as far as possible for the publication of outputs from the 2011 census. Before 2001, census data were published for larger enumeration districts which were delineated before the census was conducted and were the organizational units for census data collection. Neighborhood statistics. Geography. Super output areas are a set of geographical areas developed following the 2001 census, initially to facilitate the calculation of the indices of deprivation 2004 and subsequently for a range of additional neighborhood statistics. The aim was to produce a set of areas of consistent size, whose boundaries would not change, suitable for the publication of data such as the indices of deprivation. They are an aggregation of adjacent output areas with similar social characteristics. Lower-layer super output areas typically contain 4 to 6 OAs with a population of around 1,500. Middle-layer super output areas on average have a population of 7,200. The hierarchy of output areas and the two tiers of super output areas have become known as the neighborhood statistics geography. Former hierarchical coding system, the older ONS code was constructed top-down, a 2-character code represented an administrative county. For example, 12 for Cambridgeshire. A 4-character code represented a district, so that the first 2 characters showed the county in which the district was placed. For example, 12UB for Cambridge District or 12UD for Fenland. In the case of a unitary authority, the first 2 digits were 00. For example, 00AL for Greenwich or 00EC for Middlesbrough. Local government wards were given a 2-letter code within their local authority. For example, 12UBGA for Petersfield ward within Cambridge District. The smallest level, census output areas were originally given an additional 4 digits within a ward, so that the first output area in Petersfield ward was coded 12UBGA0001. Civil parishes were also coded using this hierarchical system. Parishes were coded using an additional 3 digits after their local authority. For example, within 12UD for Fenland District, the parish of Tyde St Giles was coded 12UD010. Current GSS coding system. The current system replaces these codes with a fixed-length code of 9 characters. The first 3 characters indicate the level of geography and the 6 digits following define the individual unit. For example, a royal borough of Greenwich is coded as EO900011, Middlesbrough as EO600002, Cambridge EO700008 and Fenland EO700010. The meaning of some common 3-character prefixes is as follows. List of codes introduced in 2011, The following list gives both the codes that ONS introduced in 2011 for local authorities, counties, regions and countries of the UK. At this time, ONS did not publish similar codes for local authorities in Northern Ireland. The county column showed the current administrative or metropolitan county, where there is one. Unitary authorities and London boroughs are not part of such counties. References. See also, Geodemographic segmentation, external links, ONS Beginner's Guide to UK Geography.